Hi, my name is Barbara D. I work over here for Guaranty in the Trailers and Vans Center. And today what I'm going to show you is a really nice little Cougar. It's got a it's a 23 RBSWE. And what that means is it's going to be a super nice trailer. These units are just dandy. They're lightweight, they are well equipped, and they have a great reputation. We're lucky to have this used unit for sale. Lots of storage as you come in the door, an oversized refrigerator, the largest refrigerator that's provided in the RV industry, lots and lots of counter space, a 24-inch oven, again, something that you're going to find in a motorhome, a microwave, a beautiful farm sink that's nice and deep, and then it's a stainless steel. It's got a nice countertop, and it allows you to do your cooking, and it also has like a little bar area, so you can put some bar stools on the other side of it and use it and eat up here at the countertop. The seating situation is a beautiful set of Thomas Paine recliners cuddled into the slide out, where you have a beautiful window, so you've got a great view and windows on the side for cross ventilation. It also features a lovely bed. The bed is a king-size bed, and it's got cabinets on each side and above it. Also, it's got some nightstands where you can put a few things that you want to keep close to you at night, maybe your glasses or a cup of water or something like that. Storage underneath the bed as well. So you've got a small footprint trailer, and what I've found as I've done this work for quite some time is that if you get too big of a trailer, it's very hard to find a place to park it, because the spaces are just limited in how long they are. So it would be perfect for a state, county, federal park, or a private park. I can't speak enough about the quality and the feel that it has. I often tell my families, it's about the feeling. When you come into this unit, you feel homey. It's very, very nice. It's very welcoming. It's got a nice vinyl in it, and like I said, all of the appliances are oversized like you would find in a Class A motorhome. Ample storage. It's 7,200 pounds after it's fully loaded, and that allows for about 2,500 pounds in cargo. So you need to have a truck that's going to be rated for that 7,200 pounds or better to tow it. Also has a cute little rack on the back, so you could be carrying a bike back there, or maybe we used to have a Honda 110 step through that we took with us when we went camping. So remember, my name is Barbara D. at Guaranty, Barbara.Balcom, working in the Trailers and Vans division. My telephone number is 541-521-4232. That's an easy one. 541-521-4232. Give me a call. I want to talk with you. Come down and see me.